we're going to do one more bonus question because you are into beauty and makeup and all other stuff.
Okay.
Can you tell us, and the lighting is bad, and I acknowledge that before the people in the comments are like, we can't see anything.
There's a lot of yellow and red
the angle of the
lighting
camera is probably not optimal, but can you tell us what you're wearing on your face, because it's absolutely beautiful. And I will take a picture of her so you can see clearly how beautiful she is.
Oh, thank you. Okay, so for my base, I have on Too Faced, what is it called? Hydration X. My foundation is the Becca. It's a new foundation. It's in a tube. So they don't have many foundations, so if you look them up, you'll know what I'm talking about. It's new. And eyebrows, I am wearing Wonder Brow. And for my eyes, I'm actually, you know what? No, I think it's called the Ida palette.
There will be links and comments all over this to fill in all the blanks.
As soon as I look up the palette, I'll send her the name. And
then this was a surprise question, just so you know.
Yeah, for real. But I like it. It's fun. It gives me a challenge to know what I actually did. My mascara is CoverGirl Original. I think it's called
It's like an old school one. Is that the pink and green bottle?
No.
Oh, okay,
I think
not
it's
that
the
old school.
CoverGirl voluptuous mascara. Or it might be Maybelline.
They look great lashes. So
well,
whatever it is, it's working.
I got lashes on too.
Oh.
I have on the Kiss lashes. So
I'd be like, they're so awesome.
Yeah.
They just naturally grow this 4 feet long.
Mm-hmm. I have the Kiss lashes on. You can find them at Walgreens CVS because they're cheap, always on sale. And then my blush is the Note blush. It's an apricot color. And my highlight is Pure Cosmetics.
Oh, I like them.
It's a trio palette. And then my bronzer is MAC. What was the name? I know the name. It's on the tip of my tongue.
Let's see if she could do it. No, not doing. Nothing's happening.
No.
Again,
but you know what?
Comments.
It's a part of the Aqua line. So if you look up I think it's not discontinued. I think it was a limited edition product. But if you look it up, it's in a blue compact with little water bits on it. But I'm pretty sure they always remake their stuff in different packaging. That's just how they make their money. And then my lips.
A lot of them do that. I feel like I rebuy some things and I'm like, this seems familiar.
Yeah, they always do it.
So I'm a bad
I guess
beauty
packaging. If you're a
influencer.
sucker for packaging, you're just gonna buy it anyway.
They've
Add to
gotten
your
me.
collection.
I admit that I've gotten it a couple times.
And then my lips are the L'Oreal chocolate Reach.
L'Oreal.
It's the chocolate
Really?
liquid lipsticks.
That looks like
and they smell like chocolate.
Anastasia or
You would think, but this is one of my favorites from the drugstore.
or we can't talk about her, but a Kat Von D even. That looks like
I don't like her liquid lipsticks.
No, nobody.
They're so
I feel like I'm going to be bleeping a lot of this video. We have a Kat Von D reference in the last video, and apparently she's upset quite a few people with her opinions on
for
things.
sure.
So we probably will edit that out. So I guess that's it. Again, I'm Venus from Savagely Curvy Connect. You're going to say the name of your YouTube channel because
Reesie,
I
Cherie.
can't use words.
I mean, if you type in Amber Cherie, I'll still come up, but Reesie
It'll
Cherie.
pop up on the screen somewhere also, and there will be a link down in the description box. Thank you so much for this.
Thank you for
I hope you
having me.
enjoyed it.
Of course.
For my very bootleg setup here. This is the microphone in case
It's
you're
a start.
wondering. And thank you for coming.
Of course. Thank
Yay,
you.
shake your hand.
Thank you.
Make it official.